Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer your Airalo Esim to your new phone. Very easy guys. So first, before we start this process, make sure you meet these following prerequisites, okay? You need a compatible iPhone, right? It needs to be the latest, okay? At least starting from the iPhone XS and newer models. Now these come with eSIM capabilities, and the iOS version, guys, make sure you're running the latest version, make sure you update it, and just verify that your mobile carrier supports eSIM functionality, okay? Most of them do, so don't have to worry about that, and if you have any data you want to back up, go ahead and do that. Now, this is what you do, guys. This is how you transfer that eSIM. So on your new iPhone, you go to your settings, go to mobile, and then click on add mobile plan. Okay, I'll also show you how to do this for Android as well. Don't worry, guys. So, once you click on Add Mobile Plan, guys, you choose a mobile plan to transfer from your old iPhone. And if you don't see a list of numbers, you just tap Transfer from another iPhone. And then you just check for instructions on your previous iPhone to confirm the transfer. Now, to confirm, you just tap Transfer. Or if you're asked for a verification code, you just enter the code that is displayed on your new iPhone. And then you just wait for the mobile plan to activate, guys. And just note that your previous eSIM will actually be deactivated when the new, the mobile plan on your new iPhone activates. And if a banner appears on your new iPhone that says, finish setting up your carrier's mobile plan, go ahead and tap on that. And you'll be redirected to your carrier's webpage to transfer your eSIM. Now, if you have an Android phone, guys, don't worry. So what you do, guys, is first contact your carrier to transfer your phone number to your iPhone through the eSIM carrier activation. And what they do, guys, you follow these steps. So they get a notification that appears, carrier mobile plan ready to be installed. Go ahead and tap on that notification. Go to settings, tap on carrier mobile plan ready to be installed. Tap and continue at the bottom of the screen. And then you just make a call on your iPhone to check your connection, guys, once you're done. And if you can't make a call, you just contact your carrier. And if the data plan you are transferring comes from a SIM card plan, guys, you just remove the SIM card and restart your iPhone. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provides value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.